Alright, back here, it's day 3. So first thing I want to do, it rained a lot last night. It was a heavy, windy rain, so at least I got this covered up in time though. So we're good to go. But got debris down from all that wind and everything. I've got the shingles today, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to go ahead and finish tearing this since it's the only side left. Tearing this off. I'll probably put the plywood down and everything too, and go ahead and get the felt on before I start shingling. Might as well, since it's the only side left, and then it'll all be ready and I'll be good to go. And then I'll start on shingling. The multiple reasons: one, then it'll be all done, everything will be dried in. Two, it'll give this time to dry out. There's little water drops all over it and just makes it a little more dangerous. There's a little more traction on this anyway, even with the rain, from the stones, so it's a little safer working on that than it is on this. But yeah, like I say, it'll give it some time to dry out, and in the meantime I'm going to work on this side. Well, that took more time than I was hoping for, but it's all done. Main reason it took longer than I was expecting was I had to disconnect and reattach the entire gutter system because it was not connected correctly. So the gutter is supposed to be tied in up underneath the drip edge so that the drip edge will drip the water into the gutter. The gutter was screwed through and on top of the drip edge. So I had to disconnect the gutter to get the drip edge out from underneath it and then reconnect the gutter, and while reconnecting the gutter actually make it slope correctly, since I had to take it loose anyway because it didn't slope the way it was supposed to. But now at least the gutter will work better than it ever has. I guess an added bonus is the fact that now the gutter is hooked up correctly. But as far as this video goes, I believe this is what I'm going to call it. I'm going to go ahead and finish carrying out. I'm going to do it off camera, just trying to finish it up because it's getting a little bit later today already. Finish loading up the rest of the trash shingles and bringing down the rest of the new shingles. I'm probably going to leave them underneath the deck that's over yonder. So that it'll be ready for tomorrow for me to be able to do it. That way tomorrow morning, first thing, as soon as the dump opens, I can be there to empty my dump trailer and be able to actually put actual material in it. I haven't really been able to do that too well. I've been having to work around all the trash for a few days, but at least now I'll be able to get it emptied. There's plenty in there to make it worth that trip. So I'll be getting here a little bit later tomorrow, but should still, with it being shingling the next step, should be able to still complete a good bit of the shingles. For this video, that's going to be it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.